This is Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm, and today's topic is mulch. It's every gardener's best friend or worst enemy. Done right, it nourishes your soil, saves water, and keeps weeds at bay. Done wrong, well, you may be committing one of the 7 deadly sins of mulching. Sin number 1 is what I call the volcano mulch. Piling mulch up like a mini mountain against the stems or trunks of trees and plants might look tidy, but it suffocates the bark, invites rot, and pests just love it. Quick tip, leave a 2 to 3 inch gap around trunks. Think donut, not volcano. Sin 2, using the wrong mulch. Rubber, dyed chips, mystery bags from the hardware store. They might look good, but they can poison your soil or repel water. Tip, stick with organic mulch that breaks down and feeds your soil. Sin 3, overdoing it. More mulch doesn't mean more benefits. It actually traps moisture, blocks oxygen, and causes root rot. Keep it 2 to 3 inches max. Sin number 4, fresh mulch that steals nutrients. That gorgeous pile of wood chips, it's hungry for nitrogen, and it'll take it right from your plants. Compost it first or add nitrogen boost underneath. Sin 5, mulching over weeds. If you don't remove them first, mulch just gives them a cozy blanket to grow beneath. Quick tip, weed thoroughly, water, then mulch. Sin number 6, mulch buildup. Every year you add more, but never take any off. Soon your soil is compacted, soggy, and plants struggle to breathe. My tip, rake back old mulch each spring and refresh only what's needed. Sin number 7, mulching too early. Spring soil needs to warm up, but mulch keeps it cold. You're delaying your own growing season and seed germination. Wait until the soil hits 50 degrees before mulching in spring. In closing, mulch can be magic, but not if you break the rules. Avoid these 7 deadly sins and you'll unlock the full potential of your garden. Subscribe for more deadly sins of gardening. Next up, 7 deadly sins of fertilizing. Read the full post at thecelticfarm.com or find the right mulch tools in our store.